Hello from Slovenia again. uh, Last day when we mixed colors with Marina, she wanted to do one color combination and I wanted another one, so today I will do this one, this combination that I wanted to do last time and I didn't, so I will try to do it today. So this was Prussian blue and metallic gold next. And next one is cardinal red. I didn't do nice shape, as you see. And I will use this Indian yellow next. And my pearl white. And this is it. You see, I didn't do nice shape at all, but nothing is perfect, so in nature and everywhere. But we always want to do something that we can say, wow, perfect. I don't know why. But still, I think that perfection doesn't exist. So Sorry that I didn't talk much, but at the same time I love this painting, and at the same time I don't know if I want to keep it. Sometimes it's just hard to explain how I feel when I lift up my canvas. Mixed feelings sometimes, but I still think that it's beautiful. I don't know what is happened here, you see, because I don't have this I didn't do something okay here, so I don't know what, but I definitely did, and I lost some of the flower here, but I don't want to redip it. Just white paint left here, but the skin is beautiful also, and I think that this flower will be too, because it will change a little bit more, because these metallics do its thing. So sometimes you see how painting is changing in front of your eyes. So sorry for this part here, but as we speak, there is no perfection. I will leave it. Have to blend this because I almost ruined the whole thing. And now we'll really leave it. Let me take you for a close-up. This here is just gorgeous, you see. And this is the part that I don't know, but there is so many gorgeous details here that I have to say that I love it anyway. So a little strange, but I definitely can't say that I don't like it. So this is it for today, and tell me what you think. See you on the next one. Bye.